Hello from Finance Magic. I'm Tanjay Sugar, CEO of Evernorth Limited. Finance Magic is our trading style. On my left is Ali, who's a regulated mortgage advisor. On my right is Shane, who is in charge of customer experience. We have created a mind-blowing mobile app which is now available in iOS Store and Google Play Store. It's called Finance Magic. You download the app, and what it enables you to do is to do your mortgage from the comfort of your own home. It's connected with credit reports, so you can do your credit check straight from the app, absolutely free of charge. What benefit the credit report gets you? It gives you the snapshot of what your credit standing is, and we also provide you credit monitoring, so that if there is an unauthorized application in your name, you'd get to know straight away, protecting you against ID theft. Now, we created this app after investing a lot of money and incorporating a lot of wonderful technologies. What is it today? Is to enable you to do mortgages, and in the future you'll also be able to do your car loans or your loans and other credit products through the app. The app is loaded with a lot of functionalities, information, and it is connected with video calling so that you can connect with your mortgage advisor straight from the app. And we also have a fantastic AI module called Melody. If you have any questions about mortgages, loans, or anything, you can ask her, and I'm pretty sure she's going to answer you with almost 95% accuracy. Even then, if you have any questions, you can always pick up the phone or you can initiate a video call. What do you get through this app? When you start your mortgage case and do your mortgage through this app, there will be no fees charged, so we wouldn't charge you any advice fees. If you used a mortgage broker or mortgage advisor, they would normally charge you a fee. You'd have to set an appointment with them to go to their office and run back and forth with your documents and everything. But the app provides you with a secured environment so that you can upload your documents easily from the app. And you can be anywhere while doing your mortgage. Plus, you can track the progress of your case. We have a panel of more than 350 lenders. We are a whole of market mortgage intermediary, so we have access to pretty much all the lenders in the country. So there is not a solution that we possibly cannot provide. If you are a first-time buyer, home mover, or a seasoned property investor, or a commercial property owner, we can arrange mortgages for you, and you can have all the information in the app. What more stuff the app would give you? We'll keep on adding new features periodically. So right now you can see mortgage live rates, you can check your mortgage status, your case progress, and communicate straight via the app. You can also look at your life insurance quotes. And going forward, we'll be adding on a lot more exciting functionalities. Our expert advisors are always there to discuss with you about your affordability, about your chances of getting a mortgage, and we can guide you to owning your dream home. Download the app, see what you've got, and use the app and become financially successful. Any questions?
I would sort of add on to that with the AI features, where a lot of people are using a lot of ChatGPTs, etc. now for financial advice, where these are not regulated concepts, whereas ours is fully regulated concepts. So obviously now moving forward with AI, people can comfortably use the app to get on the property ladder, to get a mortgage, etc.
Adding on to that, I would say our advice is always backed up by a human mortgage advisor. So a regulated mortgage advisor will always be in touch with you and always be there to supervise your case, and we would always make sure that your case was dealt with the urgency that you require.
Yeah, talking about that or adding on to that, the whole idea is that when people think about app, think about they're just talking to a computer screen. So it's a yes or no type of thing that yes, they are talking to a computer screen, but they can also click a button and then jump on a video call with one of my colleagues or myself, say. And then it's about navigating the whole process, because the whole process is complicated and it's very, very complicated, but this is where we come in. We advise you to make it easier for you and understand
Yes.
your needs and find the best product that suits you.
I would just sum up what Ali have mentioned here is that we are fast and efficient and regulated and compliant. Thing to remember, you do your mortgage through the app. Finance Magic app is fee-free mortgage. We would give you the consultation free of charge. There is no fees charged. So download the app and take advantage of this situation.